Hey food lovers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the delicious world of mortadella, a classic Italian delicacy with a rich history. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes mortadella so special. Mortadella's history dates back to ancient Rome, where it got its name from the Latin word mortarium, meaning mortar. It was originally made by pounding pork with salt and spices in a mortar, giving us this mouth-watering Italian cold cut. This delicious sausage has been a staple in Bologna, Italy, since the 14th century. So what goes into making mortadella? It's a mixture of finely ground pork, pork fat, salt, and various spices. Some of the common spices used are black pepper, myrtle berries, nutmeg, and coriander. And guess what? Mortadella has these distinctive, visually appealing fat cubes that are actually small pieces of pork fat, strategically placed throughout the meat. The process begins by cooking the meat at low temperatures for several hours. This slow cooking method ensures that the spices are fully absorbed and the sausage stays moist and tender. Once cooked, the mortadella is cooled and then sliced paper thin for serving. Mortadella can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. You can savor it on its own, use it in sandwiches, or even add it to pasta dishes, salads, or antipasto platters. There's no limit to the delicious dishes you can create with mortadella. Did you know that there are different types of mortadella? Some versions include pistachios, olives, or even truffles. These ingredients add unique flavors and textures, making each version a culinary adventure. You might be wondering, what's the difference between mortadella and bologna? Well, bologna is an American adaptation of mortadella, but it lacks the distinct flavor and fat cubes that make mortadella so special. While they are similar, true mortadella lovers will tell you there's just no comparison. So there you have it, folks. Mortadella is a delicious, time-honored Italian delicacy with a rich history and unique flavor profile. If you haven't tried it yet, be sure to give it a taste and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning about mortadella, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing food adventures. See you in the next video, and as always, happy eating!